Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be unboxing Mystabella, and I already have 4 Kindi Kids. I have Jessicake, Peppa Mint, Marsha, Mello, and Tina. And now I will unbox Mystabella. Let's start unboxing. She's so beautiful. Now let's take her out. Wow! She's so beautiful. Let's keep her on the side here. Hi, I'm Mystabella. Hi everyone, it's nice to meet you. I think we can all be friends. Wow, you all look so pretty and beautiful. I have a magic paintbrush and a magic canvas. Canvas is purple and the paintbrush is pink and blue. Aha! I got a spectacular idea. Why don't I show you how to paint? Awesome! First, let me see what we have to do. First, put the paintbrush in the cold water. I'll take the paintbrush and put it in the cold water. Now let's brush the canvas. Wow! The painting is coming! Wow! What a beautiful painting, Mystabella! Thank you! Now let me introduce you to my friends. Hi everyone! Hello! Hi! Hello! Hi! Let me show you how to paint a unicorn outside. Okay. Everyone got their paintbrushes and canvases? Yes! Now let's paint the grass green. That's the first step. Okay, done. Now let's make the flowers. First, let's make the petals pink. 3 flowers. And now make the yellow dots. In the middle. Okay. Wait. And don't forget to make the sun yellow. Okay, Mystabella. Okay, great. Now we'll have to go again with pink for the unicorn's legs. Okay, Mystabella, and don't forget its horn, the hair, and the ponytail. Okay. Okay, done. Now let's make the 2 clouds white and the unicorn skin white. Everyone done with their canvases and paintings? Yes! Now show them. Here's mine. Wow, yours is so beautiful. Good job, everyone. Thank you for watching. Like my videos and subscribe to my channel.